Nurses here in Charlotte and really around the country have been pleading for help, looking for masks as they head to work at area hospitals. WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden uncovered a nationwide effort spurred by the White House and a very localized effort to get healthcare workers what they need. She's in Uptown with the very latest for us.
The mask shortage has big companies across the country and right here in Charlotte pivoting to now make masks. They didn't normally do that. There are also grassroots efforts, people sitting in their homes, literally using fabric that they've had, sewing masks to make sure the healthcare workers on the front line of this pandemic have what they need.
They are desperate pleas from Charlotte area nurses on social media, looking for help finding masks, even asking people just to help sew some.
For me personally, to see that, and then having just been through this experience with nurses that were literally like saving my life, it just touched me. So immediately I was like, I'll help however I can.
A Charlotte area nurse told us, quote, "We've been told we can only use one mask a day. We typically go through 12 a day." Missy Reinhardt just finished chemo treatment for breast cancer and immediately wanted to help the nurses who had just helped her.
My daughters are home from college and we just got to work on Saturday and Sunday. And right now we have close to 40 masks ready to go.
There are dozens of people sewing across Charlotte helping out, and there's a nationwide effort as well among the leading textile companies after the White House reached out last week asking them for help.
There's such a demand for masks right now. The demand is overwhelming for the supply. And so this is why the supply chain challenged themselves. They weren't making masks before. They were challenged by the White House. How quickly can you do this?
Among the companies, Hanes and Fruit of the Loom and Gastonia-based Parkdale Mills. One of the biggest yarn makers in the world is now supplying the yarn these new masks will be made from.
It is a challenge and a significant opportunity because when your U.S. government is calling on your industry to be part of the solution, you have people coming out of the woodwork raising their hand that they want to be part of this effort.
We're told the textile industry expects to make and deliver 10 million masks in the coming weeks. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.